I'll be back.
Let the band play.
Skillet. Spatula. Butter. Eggs. Nah, that's for frying chicken. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm gonna show y'all how to cook some eggs. Oh yeah. So for every 3 eggs, you want a tablespoon of butter. Cause like De'Ara said from DK4L, butter make it taste better. So you want to put your, you want to put your heat on low heat, and you need a rubber spatula. The rubber spatula is the best thing to do to cook some eggs. So now once you get the butter melted, you're gonna start cracking these eggs and popping them in there real quick. So let me set you up. So let me bust these eggs. Bust it open. Bust it open. Oh, don't want that in there. So you got your 3 eggs. All right. So now you got your 3 eggs in there, and you want it to cook real slow like. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust them yolks right quick. And just let it cook real slow. I don't put really any seasoning in my eggs because the butter is already seasoned with salt. So I just sprinkle a little pepper on there. That's all you really need. And then you just cook them and move them around with that rubber spatula. This is how you're gonna get the real soft, creamy like eggs. Just remember, the key to the creaminess is 1 tablespoon of butter every 3 eggs. So once you got it about halfway cooked, you go ahead and turn that heat off. Then you move it. So I'm gonna move it off the heat. And then I'm just keep stirring because it's gonna keep cooking. So I don't like my eggs hard. So I'll just cook it all the way till the little sliminess is done, fully cooked. The little white slime from the egg whites. And then I'm going to transfer it to my paper plissate that I got sitting here. Excuse my husband in the background. He's having a mental breakdown. Alright. Look at that. Go ahead and focus. Yes. Alright, I see you, boo-boo. Yeah, they dancing. Now, for the grand finale. The taste test. Huh? Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and alright. Taste this right quick. They're creamy eggs. All you need is butter and a little bit of pepper. And the key is the rubber spatula. Hey, you got the rubber spatula. The rubber spatula. Hey, you got the rubber spatula. Thanks for watching. Sometimes when I get nervous, I stick my hands under my armpits. Smell them like that.
I see the way she checking for a gangsta. Gangsta like that.